quick how-to guide on Ray's Engineering valve stem installation on Ray's wheels. Here's your parts: valve stem, 2 rubber seals, washer, 2 12mm nuts, tools needed, 12mm ratchet, optional thread lock, needle nose pliers. First things first, get your valve stem with 1 rubber seal. Make sure the indentation is facing south. Put the rubber seal on the valve stem. That's what it should look like. Go ahead and insert it into the wheel. Step number 2, with your second rubber seal, make sure the indentation is facing north. Go ahead, insert it onto the shaft. Step number 3, metal washer, make sure the cup side is facing upwards. Go ahead, slide onto the shaft. Step number 4, first 12mm nuts. Go ahead, thread this onto the shaft.